welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. Today I am back with another wig review. Today I will be reviewing this wig by Bobbi Boss. Okay. The name of this wig is called Natural Straight. It's a human hair blend in a color 1B. Alright. So, let's look at the wig, and then we're going to look at the scalp construction. Okay, here is the wig. It's very soft. Very soft. Feels exactly like bundles. It do. But it sheds quite a bit. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, let's get this wig on. Let's see what she's working with. Okay, I got this beautiful unit on my head, and it is simply gorgeous. Yes, look at that. Okay, it feels really soft and silky. Here's the hair from the side. It's like a silky type of yaki. Very soft. The back. Okay. Here she go all the way to the front. Yeah, it's steady shedding pretty badly. So that's the only con, is that she is shedding up a storm over here. Okay, that is a lot of shedding. Other than that, she is lovely. Just beautiful. Okay. I am loving it. Alright, but yeah, you can definitely style her in a ton of cute styles. Ponytail in the back, the up-down look. Okay, I am back. I did a little something off camera where you can do the half up, half down look. Have her up at the top in a little bun, a little something, and that is super cute.